Hello students, selamat sejahtera, good morning, good evening. Welcome to our next class in our chapter Additional Mathematics, DLP Form 4. Chapter 3, System of Equation. Okay, so please be ready with your textbook, calculator and notes. Okay class, here is our learning objective. 3.1 System of Linear Equations in 3 variables. 3.2 Simultaneous Equations involving one linear equation and one non-linear equation. In this part, 3.1 and 3.2, you will use your prior knowledge, what you have learned in lower form, in elimination or substitution method in solving simultaneous equation. Okay, 3.1 System of Linear Equations in 3 variables. Separate this 3.2. Solve the following system of linear equations using the elimination method. I will show you question number 1A. Hello class, we start with question number 1A by using elimination method. So we have 3 equations and let the first equation as equation A. Second as equation B. Third as equation C. Okay. Now our aim is to eliminate one of variable. Now variable used is unknown x, y and z. Let's look at all these 3 equations. Let's look at all these 3 equations and look which is suitable for eliminate. For example, now we look at unknown y. Okay. Here is unknown y. 5y, 5y, 3y. It is likely to see that we have 2 value of coefficient for variable y, that is 5y in equation A, negative 5y in equation B. So we start our elimination method by eliminate one of variable used in this equation. Okay. To eliminate y, okay, we use 2 times to eliminate y. To eliminate y, first one is from equation A and equation B, where we see equation A and B having same coefficient number for variable y. In equation A, variable y is 5. In equation B, variable is negative 5. So we write again the equation. This one is 3x minus 5y plus 2x equal to negative 8. And we do our plus or minus to eliminate y. Please look at here. Positive 5y, negative 5y. To cut it equal to 0, we have to use operation plus. Okay, plus. Because 5 plus negative 5 is 0y. Then this one will be cut. 7 plus 3 is 10x. 5 plus negative 5 is 0. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative z equal to 8. This is your new equation. That is equation ABC. Now is equation D. Next, we go to the next one. This one is A plus B is we do plus. Next one, also to eliminate y. We use another two equation that is other than A and B. Other than A and B, we can use equation B and C. The pairing of new equation. New pair of equation B and C. Okay. Equation B and C. Okay, please look at B and C. On the variable y. The variable y is different coefficient. Equation B, coefficient y negative 5. Equation C, coefficient y is positive 3. So you make it same variable by multiply crossly. This one multiply by 3. This one multiply by 5. Equation B multiply by 3. And equation C multiply by 5. Then your pair of new equation would be 9x minus 15y plus 6z equal to negative 24. This is your 3 multiply equation B. Now put here 5 multiply equation C. 5 multiply equation C is 25x plus 15y minus 35z equal to 0. Your answer after we do minus, or plus, your answer must have 0 value of y. We must cut this. We must do so that negative 15y and positive 15y equal to 0 right here. Okay, how to do? What to put? It is plus or minus. It is plus because negative 15y plus 15 is equal to 0. Or we can say that for different symbol, different sign, we use plus. For equal sign, we use minus. Now, your negative 15y, positive 15y is equal to 0 when we plus. Then for another number, and another variable, another coefficient, we do same plus. 25 plus 9 is equal to 34x. This one equal to 0. 6 plus negative 35 is 6 minus 35 equal to negative 29z equal to negative 24. This is your new equation, equation E. Okay. Now this is our two new equation. Okay, two new equation that now we can put separate 10x minus z equal to 8 as equation D. We put it together. 34x minus 29z equal to negative 24 equation E. Okay. Now, please look at our step. What we must do so that we can eliminate one of these two variables, either variable x or variable z. Before that, we have to make it equal coefficient. That is, to eliminate one of variable, either x or z. In this case, we can choose variable z. To eliminate z, equation D and equation E, we make equation D and E variable z equal coefficient. That is, equation D multiplied by 29. Multiplied by equation D, and equation E is already coefficient 29, and then we minus. So right here you get new equation 290x minus 29z equal to 8 multiplied 29 is 232. This is 29 multiply equation D. Okay, this is 29 multiply equation D. And equation E, we put below equation that you get just now. This one, we put it below, same row, same column. For each variable, 34x minus 29z equal to negative 24. And then put your straight line. And what we have to do is operation minus. So that 29 we can eliminate. Number 290x minus 34x, we get 256x equal 232 minus negative 24, we get 256. So that x equal to 1. Finish your value of x. Now we are solving each variable, variable x, variable y, variable z. Came back to our previous equation that having two variables, two unknown. We can get from equation D or equation E. That having two variable include x, because answer of x, we already get x equal to 1. So we can substitute, we can eliminate. We can substitute value of x. No more elimination because we already get answer of number x. Your equation D is, okay, from D, your D equation is (10x minus z equal to 8). Okay, 10 bracket 1 minus z equal to 8. Z equal to 2. And then we already get x and z. To get answer y, we came back to our previous equation that having all variable. Any of equation from the question, whether A, B or C, we can take and we can choose any of that. For example, we choose from equation C. Okay, from equation C, 5x plus 3y minus 7z equal to 0. 5 bracket 1 plus 3y minus 7 bracket 2 equal to 0. This is number 2. Then y will be equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9 divided by 3. Then your answer of y equal to 3. This is answer x, this is answer z, this is answer y. X equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 2. Okay, in this slide, our question now is solve the following systems of linear equation by using the substitution method. Question number 2a, I will explain to you and show you the solution step in our next slide. Hello class. Now we are in our next slide to solve question number 2a by using substitution method. Now we are doing our simultaneous equation for 3 equations, A, B and C. Just now we are using elimination method. Now in this slide, we are using another question in another method, that is substitution. What is meant by substitution? Substitution is you substitute one value into another equation. Okay, elimination is we are eliminate one variable. Substitution, you substitute one variable into another 2 equations. Okay, now we have equation A, B and C. We start our step by aiming, okay, by aim which variable to substitute. Okay, now look at equation A, B and C. Which one is easier? Normally we are looking at equation with having less coefficient or any equation that we see it is easier for us. Okay, now I choose equation B. Okay, what to do in equation B is to get one variable in terms of another 2 variable. Okay, now I choose variable y. Okay, from equation B, x minus y minus z equal to negative 3. Then your negative y equal to negative 3 minus x plus z, and make it positive number, positive y, 3 plus x minus z. Okay, finish your y in terms of another 2 variable, y in terms of variable x, variable z as equation D. Okay, this is the first mark you can get in your SPM exam. And then your next step is when you get one variable in terms of another 2 variable, you use to sub it into another 2 equation. What is another 2 equation? The first one, we already take equation B. Okay, we already take equation B to get our value of y. right here is from equation B. From equation B, we already get, and we already use it. We already use equation B. Now it's turn equation A and C to be substitute. Okay. Substitute Y into A and C. Your equation A is 2x plus y plus 3z equal to negative 2. And then such your value of y, 2x plus your y just now is 3 plus x minus z. Okay, this is your y plus 3z plus 3z equal to negative 2. And then simplify, we get 3x plus 2z equal to negative 5. Okay, this is your new equation, equation E. Okay, next one is sub y into C. Sub y into A, we already get the answer. Sub y into C, now we do right here. Your equation C is 3x minus 2y plus 3z equal to negative 12. Then sub 3x minus 2 bracket 3 plus x minus z plus 3z equal to negative 12. Simplify, you will get x plus 5z equal to negative 6 as your equation F. Okay. Let's look at our new two equation. We have three new equation. This one, D is new equation, E is new equation, and F is new equation. Okay, what to do next is, we are still in our step substitution. Okay, there are no more elimination. We still have to use substitution method in both of these two new equation. There is an equation having same variable. It must have same variable. You have to make sure that your two new equation is having same variable. X, Z, X and Z. There are no more Y. Why there are no more Y variable? Why there are no more Y unknown? Because we already start value of Y. Value of Y is no more Y. So make sure if you are still having your terms Y, means that you already do careless. The next part is, next step is rewrite again our two new equation. Okay, equation E is 3x plus 2z equal to negative 5. And one more, last one, x plus 5z equal to negative 6. Okay, this is E, this is F. Okay, based on these two equations, we want to use substitution method to solve. Use substitution method, what you have learned in lower form and what you have learned in modern maths. We choose from equation F, x equal to negative 6 minus pi z. Okay, we choose coefficient 1. So it will be easier for you to substitute, sub into one more equation. That is, must be equation E. You cannot get, okay class, please get the tips. If you get from equation F, you cannot sub again into F also. If you already get F from equation F, you must sub into another equation, that is equation E. Now equation E is 3x plus 2z equal to negative 5. Your 3 negative 6 minus 5z plus 2z equal to negative 5. Simplify, negative 18 minus 15z plus 2z equal to negative 5. You will get negative 13z equal to 13. Z will be equal to negative 1. Okay, finish your first answer. Second answer, directly we can get from value of x, negative 6 minus 5z. Negative 6 minus 5 bracket negative 1. Your answer will be 1, negative 1. Okay, last one is to get value of y. To get value of y, you must take from our original equation, from our equation A or B or C. You can choose any of these because we already know value x, value z. Now we take the easier one, that is equation B. X minus y minus z equal to negative 3. Or you also can get from here, value of y is 3 plus x plus z. Those is same. Negative 1 minus y minus negative 1 equal to negative 3. Your y value will be y equal to 3. So finish your answer. Z equal to negative 1, y equal to 3, and x equal to negative 1. Okay, now we have finished our substitution method. Okay, now class, we are come into 3.2, simultaneous equations involving one linear equation and one nonlinear equation. Okay, question, self-practice 3.4. Solve the following simultaneous equations using elimination, substitution, or graphical representation method. I will show to you question number 1A, whether to use elimination, substitution, or graphical. It is up to you. You can choose either one, which one easier for you to use. Okay class, now we are in our solution of question number 1A for part simultaneous equation for one linear and one non-linear equation. Okay, now our equation A is a linear equation with the power of 1, x power 1, y power 1. And our equation B is our non-linear equation because y square and x square and another negative xy, that is non-linear. Okay, you are free to choose what method you want to do, whether substitution, elimination, or graphical method. Graphical method is we draw graph in graph paper and then you get the intersection point. Now, in this slide, whether to choose substitution or elimination method, it is likely to have method of substitution because easier to substitute, and it is I can say that quite difficult to do elimination method because there are having no same unknown for equation A and B. Now x, you have in equation A, x is x power 1, but in equation B, x is x squared and xy. And then in equation A, it is variable y, and then in equation B, it is y squared. So you cannot cut. You cannot get elimination, you plus or minus equal to 0. So that now, I use substitution method. Okay, substitution method. Okay. Now choose from equation A. From equation A, negative y equal to 7 minus 2x and then y equal to 2x minus 7 as your new equation, equation C. Okay, right here you already get 1 mark. And then, I already taught you what to do. Okay, when we are still already in substitution. Okay, we already use equation A to get value of y. So that you must substitute value of y into which equation, A or B. So, sure you have to put and sub into equation B because we already get y from A. Get y from A, sub into another, that is sub into B. So y is 2x minus 7 bracket square minus x bracket x plus y is 2x minus 7 bracket equal to 11. Then simplify. Expand this one, 4x square minus 28x plus 49 minus x minus x. I want to erase this one. Minus x bracket 3x minus 7 equal to 11. Now we have simplify into next step will be this one plus 49 minus 3x square plus 7x minus 11 equal to 0. Then your equation will be x square minus 21x plus 38 equal to 0. Factorize equal to x 19 and 2 to get 38, 19 multiply 2 and to get 21 it is negative 19 minus 2. Now finish your factorization. If you cannot factorize, you must use formula class. Please remind and refresh again. If you cannot factorize to get the roots, to get the value of x, you must use formula and you must show your step formula in solving x. Now x is equal to 19 and then one more x equal to 2. In this equation, we only have two variables, x and y. So that you already know x, your y is equal to 2x minus 7, 2 bracket 19 minus 7 equal to 31. When x equal to 2, this one is equal to 9, now we x equal to 2, y is 2, 2 minus 7 equal to negative 3. So our conclusion is when x equal to 19, y equal to 31. One more, when x equal to 2, y equal to negative 3. Okay, so finish our solution in solving simultaneously equation of one linear and one more non-linear equation.